Guys, Kim Java here, and first off I want to give a big thanks to Extra for sponsoring this video. So we have another good one lined up for you guys today, and if you own a Tesla, you have seen your phone light up over the past 6 weeks or so with at least 3 updates to your Tesla app, and every single one of these updates has not only revealed some really cool and unique features that you could see and use right now, but also some major hidden source codes like these mentioning Tesla insurance and daily breakdowns of driving telemetry. But with 2 more updates over the past week, there is so much more added to the mix and even additional features hidden in the source code, ranging from new paint colors coming soon to supercharging subscription plans for non-Teslas and more. So let's just dive right into it because there is so much fascinating insight hidden right in front of our eyes in these lines of code. So let's start off with the latest reveal, because based on some crafty detective work by Twitter user at Tesla Apps iOS, he found that Tesla is opening the Supercharger network to other EVs. And since this recording, Tesla has in fact announced that a pilot program for other EVs to use superchargers is underway in the Netherlands. Initially, it'll start at 10 supercharging locations and expand to more very soon. Tesla says, quote, "It's always been our ambition to open the supercharger network to non-Tesla EVs, and by doing so, encourage more drivers to go electric. This move directly supports our mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. More customers using the Supercharger network enables faster expansion. Our goal is to learn and iterate quickly while continuing to aggressively expand the network so we can eventually welcome both Tesla and non-Tesla drivers at every supercharger worldwide." Based on source code of the app, Tesla will allow non-Tesla EV owners to buy what's called supercharging membership packages. Now, there's no mention yet of pricing within the app just yet, but it looks like non-Tesla owners will have 2 ways to pay for supercharging: a pay-per-use option and a membership option. There are references to paying, quote, "a lower price per kilowatt hour," and more verbiage like saving on your monthly charging costs with a membership. The source code also reveals the membership will be billed on a monthly basis. There was also some detective work by Twitter user at OlympusDev. He was able to uncover these app images that'll help non-Tesla owners during the supercharger visits. It also will have you enter the stall number so that the charge session can automatically start. In addition, the source code hints at Tesla insurance and analyzing your driving telemetry for insurance rates, similar to what the new safety score does for the full self-driving access.
The degree to which insurance is a regulatory labyrinth is insane. It was like designed to be hard. There's a zillion applications and you have to wait for a bunch of time. We're processing applications in states across the country, and then the states also have different regulations, so you can't, actually aren't legally allowed to offer the same insurance in every state. So you got to adjust the software to be different in every state. We want to have the same kind of real-time insurance where your insurance costs are based on your actual driving history, which is like the right way to do it. But we're currently not allowed to do that in California for some reason. So we're trying to get permission from the regulators to be allowed to give accurate scores for insurance.
There was more to this latest update, and it has to do with making purchases on the Tesla app. With the earlier redesign of the app in September, we got access to Tesla Shop where you can buy merchandise and accessories. But the latest update this week, these hidden images were uncovered to go with it. So just to give you my thoughts on this, there's going to be new EVs that will be charging from Tesla chargers. They will have to download the Tesla app. So now while they're charging, they can also buy a Tesla, switch over to Tesla, and pretty soon everyone will have Tesla on their phones. So the Tesla app has always been intuitive and now becoming more useful with every update, every purchase you make. Check out the link in the description below or visit extra.app/KimJava and start building your credit safely. All right, let's jump back into it now. Now, if you guys are like me and pretty much every Tesla owner, you'll wish that Tesla offered more than just the basic 5 color options. Well, there is some good news on that front, especially if you're getting a Tesla built at the Giga Berlin factory over in Europe soon. So according to the source code uncovered by Olympus Dev, which mentioned these paint colors specifically linked to the Berlin Giga factory, you'll see these are likely going to be the first 3 new colors to be introduced. They're called Deep Crimson Multicoat, Abyss Blue Multicoat, and Mercury Silver Multicoat. First, it looks like the silver is finally coming back, but also based on the renderings, you would think these aren't much different than the blue and reds that are currently offered by Tesla. But look a little more carefully and you'll recall we've already seen real-life versions of at least the deep crimson color on Elon's personal Model S that he tests daily when he's in Fremont. He even tweeted the crimson color is his favorite. We also got this glimpse of the Model Y at Giga Berlin sporting what looks like the same crimson color. Someone who specializes in product and architectural visualizations, he rendered these images of what the crimson and the blue colors might look like in real life. Now remember, about a year and a half ago, Elon went on the record saying Giga Berlin will have the world's most advanced paint shop with more layers of stunning colors that subtly change the curvature. He then mentioned that initial production at Giga Berlin is Model Y. So all of this adds up and it's cool to see that it's finally coming to fruition in a sense. So when it comes to that silver color, there's been plenty of talk that maybe the silver that has been discontinued for a few years now is finally coming back. And Elon took note of this as well on Twitter, recently acknowledging that there are too many white Model 3s and Ys on the road, especially since they are the free color right now, and that maybe changing the free color would freshen things up a bit. The pearl white color has been the free color on all Teslas since June 2019. And in that time, Tesla's production numbers have just skyrocketed. So in some markets, something like 2 out of every 3 Teslas on the road are the free white color now. But before that, Tesla offered the solid black paint as the free option. But those cars looked dirty really easily and were prone to showing scratches as well. So that wasn't really a good look either. Now, what you guys might not know or might not remember, and a lot of people are surprised to learn, is that Tesla was not always so conservative with their paint colors. In fact, there was a time that Tesla let you choose from 13 different colors in the days of the original Tesla Roadster. They had colors like racing green and very orange, and even the Model S was initially launched with some unique colors, which included the green metallic, brown metallic, and signature red paints we've seen both on the early S and Model X's. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, the best thank you we can get is for you to click that like button. Also, if you haven't already, do check out our website, itskimjava.com, for some fun and unique Tesla and EV inspired gear. And as always, thank you for your support, and I will catch you guys next time. The source codes also hint at Tesla's insurance and analyzing your driving telemetry for your Telemetry. Oh, I told you this would be what F's me. I won't say it. Insurance and analyzing your telemetry. Did I say it wrong?
You said analyzing, first of all.
Telemetry. Analyzing telemetry. I don't know. I see that and all I think is telemetry. Telemetry?
Yes.
Okay.
You said telemetry.
Telemetry. Lemon. Also hints at Tesla insurance and analyzing your driving telemetry. I got it. I can do it. I got it this time.